Also, I went back to Family Dollar, and because like I said, if it's still gonna be kind of stale smelling, you might as well just get it cheaper. And really, I think it's the tin. I don't know, but so I went ahead and I got this, and I got some of the LA Colors, the matte their matte lips. This is nice because this is a mauve. You got this purpley color. You got this reddish color. This was too dark, and this was too light. This was natural, and I think this was honeymoon or something like that, or moonlight or something. And this was, one was too dark, one was too light. So I just mixed them together. But this is pretty, the mauve one. Oh, the mauve is Eclipse. The purple is Fierce. The red one is Perception. So I just went ahead and got that. And they're like, I think $2 or $3. And I went ahead and just got this peach. And it is really pretty. I really love it. You know, I was comparing like Makeup Revolution did a peach palette for $15 to dupe, you know, the Too Faced or one, and this is $8 at Family Dollar, and I think the colors are really nice. I really like them, and this looks like a plum brown color, really nice. So yeah, so I'm gonna have fun playing around with that. So this is $8. If you get it from them, I think it's like $13, $14 in US dollars, plus the $15 shipping. So this looks really cool. I really like this. And you know, and these look really cool. This mauve is really pretty.